What's up, YouTube? It's Raul coming back at you with another pickup. I said I wasn't going to do a vid in a while, but, it's nothing big. Just bored out of my mind. And, as you can see, what I got here is my Paul Pierce jersey, which I don't wear, but I still have it, I got, as you all know, we put the smackdown on the Cleveland Cavaliers. Nobody gave us a chance, but we took care of business. LeBron James just can't get it done. It's just as simple as that. He looked like he quit in the last couple games. I don't see Cleveland ever winning a championship ever. The way I look at it, Cleveland's gonna lose LeBron James. If they do, you guys basically will never win a championship ever. The Cleveland Browns are no good. The Cleveland Indians ain't no good. I mean, no disrespect to people that live in Cleveland, but it's just the honest truth. But yeah, LeBron can't get the job done. Kobe can. He's clutch. I gotta give him credit, even though he's a Laker. But hey, hopefully we see them in the finals, which we won yesterday against the Magic. So we're up 1-0, which I think we'll win that series pretty easy. And here we go. Enough of that LeBron stuff. And there you go. Air Jordan 2 retro 3 times. Retro 3 times. So here we go. Nothing big, just making a vid. I'm bored, and I just had to throw in my 2 cents about the Celtics. I know people are gonna hate on me. Go ahead, I don't care. I love it. People out there telling them that we were gonna beat the Cavs, nobody believed me. Whatever, no big deal. So the heel tab right here, they changed it. It was black before. I actually have the 04 retros. They're in the closet. They're all fucked up, so I'm not even bothering bringing them out to compare. But yeah. And obviously, whoever has these has the plastic right here. And then we got a little tumbled leather right around there. We got a black and red stripe. Still working on my new HD camera. I don't know what's wrong with it. It's not letting me upload it into my computer, but might have to return and get another one. I think that's what it is. So we got the, obviously the Air Jordan here. Black laces. The bottom. It says Jordan. And obviously the inside has a black Jumpman with red. So I got a good deal. I traded these for my Air Ones. And I got them a week early. I got these on Friday. But yeah, that's it. And I want to give a couple shout outs to people doing their thing over there in the tube. DJ Dells, check him out. He got some nice vids. Jumpman Bostic, he's always doing his close of the day, and he got like 700 kicks. I don't know, something like that, 600 and something, and counting. And Johnny Bananas, check out his site. I forget what the name is, but Sneakers something Unite, his blog. And JStar25, I actually got a tee from his website. Sneaker Shoebox. Give him some love. I know a lot of people see his vids, even though he's just telling you what to look for. Check out the website. Who else am I missing? Oh, Village 1600. King Fresh. I mean, all y'all people out there, man. I mean, all people that give me love, you know. And I want to show you, oh, now that we're at it, I'm going to show you little pickups that I got for my daughter this weekend at Finish Line. I had a $20 coupon, so I ended up getting her some little blazers, mid blazers. She actually picked these out. She's 4, so here we go, you know. That's her little pickup. Actually, she got 2 pickups. I got her that. And these this weekend. So I ended up paying total for everything. These were 40 something, but I got total for both was 24 with a coupon, so these were on sale too. So my girlfriend has a pair, the same ones, so we'll be rocking these together, obviously. So she got a little pickup herself, 2 of them. And that's basically it, guys. Oh, and I want to give a shout out to Black Santa 24, aka the Closet Collector. He got some nice vids, man. Check him out. And that's it, guys. I'm out. Go Celtics. And give me hate if you want on the Cavs or whatever. That's all good. I love the hate. It's just the honest truth. They're not going to go nowhere if LeBron leaves. Alright, guys. Peace out. Go Celtics.